In this video, I'll show you how to switch accounts on Disney Plus on Roku. Step 1 is to open the Disney Plus app. Press Home on your Roku remote and select the Disney Plus app to launch it. Step 2 is to sign out of a current account. Navigate to your profile icon or menu in the Disney Plus app. Then select Log Out or Sign Out to exit your current account. Step 3, confirm sign out. Confirm the sign out when prompted. This will return you to the Disney Plus sign-in screen. Step 4, sign in with a new account. Enter the email and password for the Disney Plus account you want to switch to and sign in. Step 5, some troubleshooting pin screen. If a pin or password screen appears or you can't log out due to the account locks, you may have to contact the previous account holder for the pin. Remove and reinstall the Disney Plus app on Roku, and as a last resort, factory reset your Roku device. Now some tips and notes for you. Disney Plus profiles allow multiple users within one account, but switching accounts requires a full sign out. Removing the app does not sign out, full logout is needed. Keep account credentials handy before switching. And that is how you switch accounts on Disney Plus on Roku. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe.